Hello students, today we are going to learn English class 6 poem 4.3 Mr. Nobody. This poem is written by nobody, means author is unknown. Okay, so let's see the poem. See children, this is a humorous poem, and in this poem a poet tells us something that is true about most of homes. When anything is broken or goes wrong, what we say? Nobody has done it. Correct? So, let's see this poem, Mr. Nobody. I know a funny little man, as quiet as a mouse, who does mischief that is done. In everybody's house, there is no one ever sees his face, and yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. Here, in the first stanza, poet begins by saying that he knows a funny little man who is a quiet as a mouse. Mouse is also very quiet, and that man is also like a mouse, very quiet, and who is responsible for all the mischief that is done in everybody's house. Correct? And no one has ever seen his face also. And then also we are agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody, means that person whose face also we have not seen yet. Okay. Tis he who always tears out books, who leaves the door ajar. He pulls the buttons from our shirts and scatters pins afar. That squeaking door will always squeak. For prithee, don't you see, we leave the oiling to be done by Mr. Nobody. Now here, ajar means slightly open. Okay, and squeaking the door means it is a sound of door, creaking sound. Okay, sound of the door. Okay, and prithee, prithee, prithee means what? Old English means please. Okay, so here Mr. Nobody always tears out books, also leaves the door ajar, leaves the door open. Okay, pulls out the buttons from the shirts and scatters the pins far away. The door that is making the noise, means the door that is creaking will always continue to creak. For all of us, leave the oiling to be done by Mr. Nobody. Okay. So last stanza, the finger marks upon the door by none of us are made. We never leave the blinds unclosed to let the curtains fade. The ink we never spill, the boots that lying around you see are not our boots, they all belong to Mr. Nobody. Now here last stanza, the finger marks on the doors are not made by any of us. Those marks also made by Mr. Nobody, or not have we left the window shades open, letting the curtains fade. We never spill ink. That means who is spilling the ink? Mr. Nobody. Also the boots that are lying about are not our boots. They all belong to Mr. Nobody. Okay. So whatever things, something that is happened, anything is broken or scattered or anything goes wrong, everything who will do that things? Mr. Nobody has done it. Okay, so students, hope you understood this humorous poem.